In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive projects in Wrike efficiently. By the end of this session, you'll have a solid understanding of how to keep your workspace organized and your projects neatly archived. Let's get started. First, head over to your web browser and go to wrike.com. Once you're there, locate the login button in the upper right corner of your screen. Click it and proceed to enter your email and password to log into your Wrike account. This step ensures that you have access to all the necessary functionalities of your workspace for managing your projects. Once you're logged in, the next step is all about organization. Navigate to the relevant space where your projects are located. Here we're going to create a new folder. Give it a straightforward and descriptive name. For our purposes, let's call it Archive. Think of this as a digital filing cabinet where you'll be storing projects that are no longer actively worked on but still need to be accessible. Now, if you're keen on keeping things even more structured, you can create subfolders within your archive folder. These subfolders serve to categorize your archived projects in a way that makes sense for you and your workflow. For instance, you might want to organize them by year, making it easier to track what was worked on when. Alternatively, if your work is heavily client-based, consider creating subfolders for each client. This will allow you to quickly locate past projects should you need to refer back to them. With your archive folder and any potential subfolders set up, let's move on to actually archiving a project. When you have a project that's completed or needs to be archived, the process is quite simple. You'll want to move that specific project into your archive folder. This can typically be done with a drag and drop action, making it a quick task that doesn't disrupt your workflow. Sometimes you might find the need to revisit an archived project. Maybe you need to pull data from it or perhaps reactivate it for a new phase. Don't worry, Wrike makes this easy too. To remove an item from your archive folder, simply drag and drop it back to its original location or any other relevant space where it's needed. This flexibility means you're never locked away from accessing or modifying your archived projects. And there you have it. Archiving projects in Wrike is a straightforward but effective way to maintain a clutter-free workspace while still keeping all your work within reach. By implementing this process, you not only streamline your current workflow but also set the stage for efficient project retrieval and management in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this information useful in keeping your projects well organized in Wrike.